this is Janet from Try It Like It Create It, and today I am working with a digital pack from my site, and I have already pre-cut out some of my pieces from that pack, and my sentiment, and this background from that site as well, or from that pack as well, and then I have a piece of gold cardstock, and I have my card. So I'm going to put this piece together and show you how it works. I'm going to grab my tape runner here, and I am just going to put some tape here and get my runner to go. Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like It Create It, and today I am putting a card together using some digital files from my site, and this one is all about lemons. And so I have already fussy cut out these pieces, and this is my sentiment that I'm going to use, and this is my digital background, and then I also have a piece of gold cardstock here, and I have a folded card base. So I'm just going to start by putting some tape runner on my card background and apply my gold piece of cardstock, just centering it. It's the same size as the card, so I'm just trying to line things up there. All right, and then I'm going to center this in the gold space. So I'll put a little tape runner on the back of this. And then I'm just going to visually center this on my cardstock. Alright, and then I have my sentiment that I'm going to put on there. Just a little bit of tape runner on that. And I'm going to visually center this in my card. You could definitely measure it if you'd like, but I'm just going to visually place that. And then I have this little Digi cutout of lemons. I'm going to stick them down here in the corner, like so. And then when you open the card, I am going to put the made lemonade inside. So there we have it.